Hey there my peeps, Grammy T from Grammy T Knows. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can quickly and easily change the background of a photo and a video in Canva. Let's get started. Okay, we're going to begin by going to canva.com. If you already have a subscription, you'll see that you're already logged in. And then you're going to go to videos. You'll find other ways to get to this once you really learn your way around. However, I'm just going to show you the easiest way to get there. And then right here it says one-click video background remover. You'll see this icon. This means that it's a paid feature. And I promise you, it's not going to break the bank. It's $12.99 per month or $9.99 if you get the yearly subscription. And I do have to say that I am not paid by Canva to share this with you. I'm only sharing it because I like to share tips that will help my new and small business owners who do not have the budget to hire the pros to do this kind of work for you. And this is a great feature, a great tool. Canva is a great tool for all of your graphic design and video, and as you can see all up here. And I did a video on that, so I'm not going to go through all of that, what it offers. However, I'm going to show you how you can change the background of your video. You'll come right here and click here, and then you come right here to upload your video that you want to change out. And once you upload it, you will find it under the videos. This is the one that I'm going to use, so I'm just going to click on it and it will come into the canvas. The next thing you want to do is, if you want to upload your own background, you can. I'm not going to upload my own. I'm just going to choose one from Canva. And I already have one in mind, so I'm going to go straight to it. And I'm going to use this one. I'm just going to drag it until it populates behind the video. So then you're going to click on the video. It's already highlighted, as you can see, with the bounding box here. Then you come up to edit video, and right here you see background remover. And it usually takes a bit of time. I've already removed the background, so it didn't take that much time this time. Then you want to size it into your image that's behind it. And this is, you can adjust it. It's a little dark, so I'm going to go on and make some adjustments. Now this is still in the beta version, but let's go on and use it. So I'm just going to brighten it up a little bit, add a little contrast, and maybe a little vibrance. I'm not trying to do a whole lot to it. So then that's all I'm going to do, and watch this. And there it is. You have just changed your background in less than, I don't even think it was 2 minutes. I don't think, it could be 5 minutes. I'll give you 5 minutes. But just that quickly now, and there it is. You're done. Finished. This is your video before, and there's your finished video. How about that? Now this time, I'm going to show you how to change out a background on a photo. I'm going to go to my uploads, where I've already uploaded them. This is the photo, and I'm going to put him right here. This is the background that I want to put him in. I'm just going to enlarge them and align them. And so he's in this background right now, right? So you're going to click on his image, and you come up to edit image. Then you're going to come right here to background remover. Click on that. And he's already out of the background. And then you just move him over to his new background. And look at that. And here is the end result. And this is the thumbnail that you actually, when you open up this video, this is the thumbnail that I use, just showing where we went from this photo to this one. And when you saw the instructions, it was, I don't think that was 5 minutes. I should have timed it. I don't think it was even 5 minutes. But there's the image for a thumbnail that I made just that quickly. Before, it used to take some time to take them out of the background and then put them into another background. And This is something that you can do. I don't think, let me see. I didn't check. I don't think this is a paid, no. This looks like it's not a paid feature. So you can do this one. No, it is. I'm sorry. When you see this little icon, it is a paid feature. But like I said, $12.99. You can do these changes all day and it not take you all day to get it done. If this video has been beneficial to you, go on and like, comment, share, let other people know, other new and small business owners who do not have the budget to pay the pros right now. But like I said before, you will at some point, but right now you don't. Go on and let other people know that Grammy T brings tips and tricks to you each week. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.